Oh, hi. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch different kinds of subtitles in YouTube videos that were made in English in the United States. Most of the YouTube videos are made in English, so subtitles are mostly in that language. But you can watch your favorite videos and shows in different languages using the closed captions or subtitles. Anyway, so here, first thing to do is click on settings, and then we choose subtitles on the left side. That will give us an option to choose English, auto-generated. And after that we have option here to click on this small arrow, and next step will be auto translate. And now this will give us a whole menu of languages. So mine would be this one, Slovak. So that's it, and as you can see, the subtitles will be playing in that language. Let's turn it down a little bit so you can hear me.
Thank you. Oh, and I have something for you. It's my little black book. It's got the numbers of all the guys I've dated. Oh.
Okay. So
that's nice, but you know
let's
what?
push the pause button again. Let's push the pause button again, and sometimes these subtitles are created by a software that was programmed, and it doesn't hear English words properly, so he confused them. The software confuses them and makes a mess, which can confuse you. So after you are done listening to your videos and watching it in your native language subtitles, you can switch back to English subtitles and write down all the words and memorize them and remember them. And that's actually the best way to learn a language. Memorize the words, the new words that we need. Anyway, so sometimes also these videos can be played in normal speed, but people speak too fast. So we're gonna adjust playback speed, which is here, and normal is automatically chosen, and we want to play it slower, so we will choose 0.75. If you want to play it faster, you can choose 1.25 or 1.5 up to 2. So anyway, so this will play it nicer and slower.
Your other single girlfriends. I would, but you're the last one. Give me the book.
That's the video.
Pablo
Okay.
Diaz, Brady Smith.
And let's say I am learning also a German language and I prefer to watch the videos in German, so I go back to settings and click on subtitles here, not on subtitles, but on the right side on this arrow where it says Slovak and the arrow is here. So we're gonna choose auto-generated again. No, that's wrong. No, we have to choose auto-translate. That's the one, sorry. And now we're gonna choose, as I said, I need a German here. So now we have German subtitles.
Guy in van.
So basically this will stay for this video, the subtitles will stay there just like you pick them up like you want them, and next time you play it, it's gonna be with these subtitles. So all you have to do to turn them off is here, off, on, off. Okay, so that's about it, and thank you for your attention, and I'll be back with some kind of new videos when I make one. Have a good day.